Hi, I'm Scarlett Rose. I've been sewing since I was a child. My favorite technique is making my own bias tape. It's something that I have developed with my own methods, and I'd love to teach you how to do this through Zoom. I'm collecting email addresses of those who are interested in learning the techniques that I have to offer, and I'm also going to have classes online on Coursecraft. I use my bias tape for Celtic knotwork, all my own original drawings that I do, and you can use bias tape for a lot more than just that. That's one of the things you'll learn in my class. Bias tape can be used on garments, and it doesn't have to be all cotton either. This way it can be put on all kinds of things, wash and wear, as well as using it for a quilt, art quilt, modern quilt, traditional quilt, whatever type of applique. If you want a bias tape, you'll be able to make something appropriate. So this first class I'm going to do on Coursecraft is called Sew Make It Bias 101, and you'll learn my favorite method, all the little tips and tricks to get the perfectly even bias that you see here. You'll learn about the differences in fabrics, how they look when they're cut up, and also what other kinds of fabrics besides cotton you can use to make bias tape. I've designed my own foundation paper piecing technique that I call a modular style. These are just some examples of some of the blocks that I have in that, and that's another class that I want to have on Coursecraft or teach through Zoom for those of you that are interested. Dragon scale rings. I love doing paper piecing designs that look like they're circular but are just straight line. This is the second in a series. The first was a traditional double wedding ring, and I'd love to teach those as well. As you can see, this is how my class samples look. This is Follow the Wind in process. And my contact information is SROSEQLTER@gmail.com. I'm Scarlett Rose Designer on Instagram. You can follow me there. I'm also on Facebook at Scarlett Rose Celtic and More. And my main website is www.scarlettrose.com. Just let me know if you're interested in any of my classes, or if you have an idea for a group of friends or whoever you may want to take a class with. I'd love to put something together special for a Zoom class. And again, I'll be doing different types of classes on Coursecraft.